Namaste and hello everyone. I am Barsa Basnet, your Nepali language tutor. Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Barsa. This is the new series that I have created where I will teach you different kind of vocabularies. Here in this section, you will learn different kind of vocabulary related with Nepali language and we will not talk detailedly on grammar. So far, we have completed all the tenses in Nepali language. So this series is made especially to enrich your knowledge on the vocabulary. Many of my students have requested different kinds of words in Nepali language and how to use them. So this series will especially focus on the word and its uses. And today I will be teaching you different kind of words related with the direction. So without any delay, let's move ahead to our first lesson of this series, which is direction. Now let's begin to learn name of 4 direction in Nepali language, starting with Purva. Purva, 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 East, Paschim, 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 West, Uttar, 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 North, Dachin, 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 South. Now let's summarize all 4 directions. Purva, Paschim, Uttar, Dachin. One more time. Purva, Paschim, Uttar, Dachin. Now let's see the direction in the map. This is map of Nepal. Yo Nepalko नक्सा हो. यो नेपालको नक्सा हो. यो नेपालको नक्सा हो. Here, Naksa means map. Naksa. As you can see here, there is India on the east, west and south of Nepal, whereas China is only on the north. So, we can say this sentence in Nepali as नेपालको पूर्व, पश्चिम र दक्षिणमा भारत पर्छ. नेपालको पूर्व, पश्चिम र दक्षिणमा भारत पर्छ. Here, Bharat means India. So the name of India in Nepali is Bharat. Bharat. नेपालको पूर्व, पश्चिम र दक्षिणमा भारत पर्छ. Similarly, नेपालको उत्तरमा चीन पर्छ. नेपालको उत्तरमा चीन पर्छ. नेपालको उत्तरमा चीन पर्छ. Here, Chin means China. So, name of China in Nepali is Chin. Now, let's do some more example. The sun rises in the east. Surya पूर्वमा उदाउँछ. Surya पूर्वमा उदाउँछ. Surya पूर्वमा उदाउँछ. Here, Surya means sun. Udaunu means to rise. Similarly, the sun sets in the west. Surya पश्चिममा अस्ताउँछ. Surya पश्चिममा अस्ताउँछ. Surya पश्चिममा अस्ताउँछ. Here, again, sun means Surya. Astaunu means to set. But also please note that in the local language or in the language that people often speaks in Nepal, they will also substitute the word Surya with Kam. So Surya and Kam are synonyms. Actually, Kam means sunlight, but we often tend to replace the word sun from sunlight. So some people might also say Kam पूर्वमा उदाउँछ or Kam पश्चिममा अस्ताउँछ. Now, let's move on to the second section of this lesson where we will discuss different vocabulary related with direction. Let's begin with go straight. Go straight in Nepali is सिधा जानु. सिधा जानु. सिधा जानु. Sitha means straight, Janu means to go. And if you want to say someone, please go straight, you can say Sitha Janus. Sitha Janus. Sitha Janus. Here you can see I have added S sound at the end of Janu. Whenever we give polite command or in the imperative sentence, we tend to add S sound at the end of the verb. So Janu you can change to Janus. Sitha, Janus. Moving on to the next, let's do turn left. Baya, modnu. Baya, modnu. Baya, modnu. So baya means left, modnu means to turn. And you can say please turn left as baya modnus. Baya modnus. Moving on to the next, turn right. Daya modnu. Daya modnu. Daya modnu. Daya means right, modnu means turn. And again, if you want to say please turn right, you can say Daya modnus. Daya modnus. Daya modnus. The next vocabulary related with direction is in front of, which is agadi. Agadi. Now let's use this vocabulary in the sentence. If you want to say the bank is in the front of temple, you can say in Nepali as bank mandirko agadi cha. Bank mandirko agadi cha. Bank mandirko agadi cha. Here bank is bank, mandir is temple, agadi is in front. And cha is helping verb of present tense. In this case, it is. Let's do another vocabulary which is behind. Pachadi. 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 Let's use this word in the sentence. There is a park behind the hospital. There is a park behind the hospital. अस्पतालको पछाडि पार्क छ. अस्पतालको पछाडि park cha. Aspatalko pachadi park cha. Here, aspatal means hospital. So the word for hospital in Nepali is aspatal. And pachadi is behind. And park, we call it park in Nepali. And cha is helping verb of present tense once again. Here it means is. Next one is near, which is najik. 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 Let's use this word in sentence. Chok najik euta school cha. Chok najik euta school cha. Chok najik euta school cha, which means there is a school nearby crossroad. There is a school nearby crossroad. Here in this sentence, chok means crossroad or intersection. Najik means near. School, we often tend to say school these days, but we do have the Nepali word which is vidyalaya. If you want to speak in formal form, you can also say vidyalaya. And cha is again helping verb of present tense. And if you are still confused between helping verb, I will leave the link below. You can go there and watch about different kinds of helping verb in Nepali language. So in the normal form, you can say chok najik school cha or chok najik vidyalaya cha. Next word is far. Tadha. 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 Let's use this word in sentence. How far is Pokhara from Kathmandu? Pokhara Kathmandubata kati टाढा छ? Pokhara Kathmandubata kati टाढा छ? Pokhara Kathmandubata kati टाढा छ? Here I have used a preposition bata, which means from. I hope you can use this preposition well, since I have already made a video on different kind of preposition. And again, if you are confused in preposition, check in I button. In this sentence, bata means from, tadha means far, kati means how, and cha means is. Kathmandu bata Pokhara kati टाढा छ? Next word is eta, eta. So actually this is written ya-ta, but whenever we say it very quickly, we tend to pronounce ya as a. So you can say yata or eta. I often say eta when I speak very quickly. So this means in this direction. Let's use this word in the sentence. Please come towards this direction. Etaतिर आउनुस् न. Etaतिर आउनुस् न. In this sentence, eta means in this direction, tira means towards, आउनुस् न means you are saying someone, please come very politely. Etaतिर आउनुस् न. Next word is teta, which is in that direction. Let's use this in sentence. Please don't go towards that direction. त्यतातिर नजानुस् न. त्यतातिर नजानुस् न. त्यतातिर नजानुस् न. In this sentence, teta means in that direction, tira means towards, नजानुस् न means please don't go. त्यतातिर नजानुस् न. This was all on today's lesson. If you are new in our channel, do not forget to subscribe it, and if you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to click on like button, and if you want to support us, please visit in our Patreon page. With this, I want to say goodbye everyone. Namaste. See you in the next video. Bye bye.